The government set out to transform India into a digitally empowered society and a knowledge economy. And we see this vision turning into reality with its flagship program, Digital India, launched on 1st July 2015. Digital infrastructure has strengthened remarkably in the last 10 years, with the internet connections jumping from 25.15 crores in March 2014 to 96.96 crores in June 2024. The launch of the 5G network in October 2022 sped up digital services, and in just 22 months, India has set up 4.74 lakh 5G towers, covering 99.6% of districts. At the same time, data cost also dropped from 308 rupees per GB in 2014 to just 9.34 rupees in 2022, making the internet more affordable and accessible. In April 2025, over 1800 crore UPI transactions worth rupees 24.77 lakh crore were made. As of May 2025, 44 lakh crore rupees were transferred through direct benefits transfer. Over 5.87 crore ineligible ration cards and 4.23 crore duplicate LPG connections were cancelled, making the welfare system more targeted and transparent. The Open Network for Digital Commerce covered more than 616 cities, registering over 7.64 lakh sellers and service providers by January 2025. While the government e-marketplace has enabled online purchase of goods and services by government departments, recording a gross merchandise value of 4.09 lakh crore in just 10 months of financial year 2024-2025. The Digital India program has also revolutionized e-governance. In June 2025, the number of DigiLocker users reached 53.92 crore, and Umang, as a single mobile platform for citizens to access services from central to local government, recorded 8.34 crore user registrations and 597 crore transactions as of June 2025. Likewise, Bhashini also helps people access digital services in their own language, as it supports over 35 languages with more than 1600 AI models and 18 language services. With record adoption of digital payments, rapid internet expansion, and path-breaking initiatives, India has built a digital ecosystem that is inclusive, scalable, and future-ready.